Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening PSQL and connecting to the exact database you want to inspect. This is the one place Postgresql shows schema metadata directly. Once connected, make sure your role can list schemas and objects. Lack of privileges will hide entries. Use PSQLD database user host or just PSQL database locally. After the prompt appears, you're ready to run schema visibility commands and queries. Don't skip verifying the connection and role privileges first. Now list the schemas you can see using the built-in PSQL command \dn, which quickly shows schema names and owners. It's fast and reliable. Once done, check your current search path with show search path, because that determines which schema is used by default. If you need to focus on one schema, set search path equals schema name so subsequent unqualified queries use it. These steps control both visibility and object resolution, so make them part of your routine when exploring. Finish by listing schema objects. Use \DT schema, asterisk for tables and \DF schema, asterisk for functions. That immediately shows object names and types. For deeper details, query information schema, tables or PG catalog. PG class joined with PG namespace to see owners and ACLs. Once done, make sure to reset search path if you changed it. Troubleshooting tip: if schemas or objects don't appear, check role privileges and confirm search path. Lack of usage on a schema or missing connect will commonly hide results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.